I usually stop myself from buying any kitchen tools, but I saw this cute little cruet and I couldn't resist. And I thought it would just be beautiful sitting on the dining room table with some Parmesan cheese or any kind of cheese, a cheese platter, and just serve olive oil and vinegar. It would be beautiful. So here it is, a new addition to the kitchen. And of course, to show it off, I made some caprese salad. I'm making a caprese salad, one of my favorite salads, and of course I'm using my new Cruet to add the oil, vinegar, and all the other ingredients, salt, basil from the garden, and of course my delicious mozzarella with tomatoes. Usually I slice the mozzarella, but I have also cut it in chunks and just add everything together, tossed it in a little bowl with chunks of tomatoes, basil, olive oil, and everything else. And it's really how you prefer to have this salad put together. However you do it, the ingredients are delicious. And of course, with the herbs, the usual herb is basil, but I also, because I'm serving it with pasta, I like to have some of my thyme and oregano next to it, just to make it look pretty. And of course, a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, and if you like, you can add more salt and also more olive oil. And here's everything together for a beautiful caprese salad. And I also love to make caprese sandwiches. Just 2 slices of sourdough bread, Oh, so delicious. Looks good.